I get an is equal to 2 by L, and then I'll just cancel out some terms. So this and this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. Here L and L gets cancelled, here also L and L gets cancelled, whereas the same here. So I can write this comes as k multiplies to L square divided by 2n pi. This comes as sine n pi by 2 plus L square divided by n square pi square. This comes as cos n pi by 2 minus L square divided by n square pi square. Then the next term I can write as, so for a better simplicity, what I do, I take this step on next slide. So now this we can write as plus k in a bracket minus L square divided by n square pi square minus L square divided by n square pi square, further cos n pi, further minus L square upon 2n pi, L square divided by 2n pi multiplies to sin n pi by 2, sin n pi divided by 2. The next is I can write this minus changes the sign of this, so I can write plus L square divided by n square pi square, L square divided by n square pi square. Next is cos n pi by 2, cos n pi divided by 2. So now from here we can cancel out some terms. So here what I can say, L square divided by 2n pi sin n pi by 2, L square divided by 2n pi sin n pi by 2. Anyways k is multiplied to both, so I say this term and this term gets cancelled. L square divided by n square pi square cos n pi by 2 and L square divided by this, so this both gets added. So I can write this as an is equal to 2 by L, k multiplies to k L square divided by n square pi square multiplies to cos n pi by 2, and we can say it is 2 times because there are 2 terms. Here I can say as minus of k L square divided by n square pi square, and the next is minus of k L square divided by n square pi square minus 1 raised to n. So finally I write an is equal to 2 divided by L, 2k L square divided by n square pi square multiplies to cos of n pi by 2. Here I can take minus k L square divided by n square pi square as common. I can write 1 plus minus 1 raised to n. When you put an odd number here, that comes to be minus 1. So 1 minus 1 becomes to be 0. So I say for n is equal to odd, this term comes to be 2 by L. And here when I put odd, let's put 1. So cos of pi by 2, that also becomes to be 0. So this multiplies to 0, where I can write this comes as a 0. Thank you for watching video in 5 minutes.